guys, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. It's Meg and today we have got another one of my regular clients, Samantha, and she usually goes for like out there nails, which is really exciting because today she wants a holiday set. So I'm going to show you how to do a kind of like underwater style nail. So it looks like there's coral underneath the blue using our jelly range. And then we're going to do like a 3D sort of white starfish over the top of all of the nails. This is kind of how the end result looks. I'll just pop it up in this corner. It's so cute. Okay, and we are going to get started. If you want to purchase any of the products that I have used in this video, make sure to check out the description box below because there is a link there. And let's go, because I think she's here. So we're going to go sit down and set up. So to start, we are using Artemis, I believe you call it. This is a gorgeous silver chunky glitter with little specks of purple and pink in it. We're going to put that all over the nails, just one coat should do, and then we'll move on to the next step. Fab. So once you've done that, you are going to mix blue raspberry and Feijoa, I don't know how to say it, but anyway, you're going to mix them together so you get a really nice aqua, sort of like sea blue. So it's got a bit of green and a bit of blue in it as well. These are the jelly range, which are stunning for going over designs like glitter, or you just want something that's transparent. They are amazing, great pigment. So we're going to pop that all over every single nail now, just one coat of this. I believe I do. I don't think I do a second. So yeah, just pop that on. Make sure to cure them for 60 seconds and then take your Snow White, and before you apply your Snow White, we are just going to do a layer of blooming gel. So as you can see on the other nails, I've already attempted this. Once the blooming gel is on and you have not cured it, while it's still wet, you want to do dots of the Snow White in each corner of the nail. So opposites, either the right top and the left bottom or the other way around. But this is going to just spread out now. It doesn't have to be neat. It just needs to be a little bit rough and artistic, and it's going to create the look of the coral underneath the nail. Once you've done that and cured, you are going to go back in again with a second layer of blooming gel, and on top you're going to repeat the same steps by adding some Snow White dots on top, but just off center from the ones you've already done. Once that's done, make sure to cure your white dots that you've done, and we're going to go back in with our blue mix that we made earlier, and you're going to put a nice thin layer over all of the nails, and this gives the appearance that there is something under the water. Okay, so next cure those, and then we are going to mix clear as day biab with some Snow White, and this will just give you a very slight 3D effect to your starfish without having to use anything 3D, as in like, you know, a 3D gel or anything like that. Just a little bit of biab mixed with your Snow White, and it will give you this kind of slightly raised look. And you're going to do 5 little legs out for the starfish and just pop them in different places on each nail. They can be different sizes, it doesn't matter, just go with the flow. So that is all done. We are going to cure all of those now, and then with a dotting tool using the same mixture that you did for the starfish, you're going to pop some little dots over the top, and this should give another 3D effect, which gives a little bit of depth to the starfish and makes them look more real. It looks super cute. As you can see here, I start a little bit bigger in the middle and get smaller to the outside. So just repeat this on all of the starfish. Once you've done that, use your gloss top coat to go over the top of all of the nails to give it a good shine and protect the starfish. And then you are done. I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you think of them, and give us a like and subscribe. If you want to see more of these videos, hit the bell and it will give you a notification. I'll see you next time. Bye.